Yeah, just come on in. We're gonna keep this real short. All right, so you want to make money with sports betting, but the problem is, for some reason, the teams that you picking, they not covering, or you know, you just picking the wrong teams for some reason. But listen, we got the answer to your problem. I'm gonna let you get my picks that I personally choose. Whether it's NFL, NBA, whatever sport that you might be interested in. I'm gonna give you my personal picks. Now, I personally prefer NFL and NBA, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that later. But as of right now, I'll let you get my personal picks, and you've seen some of the pictures that I posted of my earnings. And if you want more on that, I'll be more than happy to share it with you. So the bottom line is, this is what you got to do if you want to get in on this money train. What you need to do is pick which package you want down below. You will see it. Send me the Cash App or PayPal. Send it directly to the details below. You'll get an email confirmation, and I'll give you the exclusive picks for this week. And also, I add you to the Facebook page also, and I'll also give you the online betting website. Once you complete those steps, I'll give you the website where you can go register and you can bet online, so you won't have to go to no dog track or anything like that, and it'll just be a little bit more convenient for you. So that's pretty much it. Listen, if you're serious about this, and if you're serious about making some extra cash or whatever, just follow through with the steps, and you can be cashing out this week also. You know what I'm saying? It's the holidays. I know you want to make some extra cash. So let's get to it. See you on the other side.